Will space entrepreneurs lead the frontier in space rather than NASA? The answer is no. That cannot happen. It will not happen. Because space is expensive, it is dangerous, the risks are unquantified. You put all three of those together, you can't say, okay, who's in? It doesn't work that way. There's no business model for a corporation to do something expensive with uncertain risks where you might die. Governments have historically taken on those first steps. When the government does it, as Spain did with Columbus, then the maps are drawn. The trade winds are established. You learn that there aren't demons at the edge of the earth that will eat your ships. You bring these back, then the investors take a look at it and say, I can now quantify the cost of this. You took the nation burden, took the risk, the initial risk, I will now take the quantifiable risk, and now I get my venture capitalists to make this happen. So the history of it is that they come in afterwards, not up front. And that's kind of what's going on now with private enterprise trying to gain access to low Earth orbit. In the 1960s, low Earth orbit was a frontier for the nation. It is not a frontier anymore. So sure, let private enterprise have at it, provided NASA still gets to go someplace beyond. Otherwise, we're just closing shop. Because we need that percent, that ambitious percent. Like I said, that part that you put on the cover of your annual report.